To become a successful student, to get the most out of your studies, you will want to develop your study skills. Welcome to the course Study Skills for Tertiary Students. Hello, my name is Leah Schmerling. I'm the course writer and founder of Career Coaching and Training. Why are study skills important? When I was a student, I learnt these skills by trial and error, and it impacted my results and motivation. Once I learned the study skills, I was on the path to studying success to achieve my career and life goals. What are study skills? Study skills are the range of skills that help you study and learn effectively to deal with assessments and exams. Study skills are the skills we learn, for example, organisational skills, time management, prioritising, learning how to analyse and problem solving, remaining motivated, applying strategies to reduce stress, and the self-discipline to meet the study requirements and deadlines. Study skills are also the type of skills that employers look for in job applicants and employees to make you employable and succeed in the job. Good study skills improve your results, increase your confidence and self-esteem. They can also reduce anxiety about assessments, exams, and deadlines. A couple of tips. The skills that we provide are generic. Develop your approach to studying and learning in a way that meets your individual needs and style. As you develop your study skills, you will know what techniques work best for you and what do not. Study skills are general study skills and are not subject-specific and can be used when studying any course in any discipline. You will need to understand the concepts, theories, and ideas surrounding your specific subject area. Take the time to learn and apply the study skills and principles. It will reduce the number of hours you spend studying, will improve your performance and ability to learn in general. This will benefit you for the rest of your life. Good luck with your studies and reaching your career goal.